How to fix OneDrive storage full, not enough free space. For this first step, empty OneDrive recycle bin. Click the recycle bin and click empty recycle bin option. Before that you need to check it if there is any file you need, means you can check and empty the recycle bin. Click yes and wait for some time. It's deleting all the items in the recycle bin. Once complete, after close it and come to next step. Stop synchronizing unnecessary folders. For this, click settings, click it, click account settings, click it and click choose folder. Uncheck folder you do not need. You can select the folder by using these settings. You can uncheck. If you not need any folder, means you can uncheck it and click OK. This will reduce OneDrive usage by choosing which folder synchronize. So after completing, click synchronize and backup. Click it and click the manage backup. You can choose the folder type. So the files will be backing up. So you can choose it and close it and restart your device. Thank you.